I'm replacing this softwash pump. It's a Delavan 5 gallon per minute with a Everflo 5.5, and I don't really need to yet. At least I didn't think I needed to. I wanted to have a spare and figured it'd be better to go ahead and put a new one on and then keep the old one as a spare in case it goes out in the field. I'll know how to do it. So anyways, I noticed when I pulled off the old pump that was sitting here, it's got all this black residue, and I'm thinking that's indicating something inside there is wearing. So I think this is probably good timing. I'd like to have someone comment on the video and just kind of verify if that's the case. And I guess it's probably coming out of somewhere in the bottom there. So if that's maybe like, I don't know what it'd be, some kind of gaskets that's going bad, or just like powdery plastic substance, I'm not sure. But I'd love to know from someone that knows better than I do if that's indicating it's worn. But so far it's been a pretty easy project, just disconnecting and then reconnecting. See that? See that leak? Not cool. The new pump is leaking, and I've heard that that is a problem with these Everflo 5.5s. So I'd like to know from others if they've experienced the same thing. I'm going to send it back. Amazon got a warranty as well on it, so not cool. At least I know how to change it out. Okay, I watched a couple videos, and Cody from Southeast Softwash saved me twice here. In his video, he talked about tightening all these hex bolts, which I did. That's a 4mm, and then also it was pulsating at full trigger. And then I got this 2mm, stuck it in this little set screw, and then tightened it until it was constant. So I think the pump is good. It's under pressure right now. There's no leaks, so I'm just gonna go with it. Looking good.